Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll show you how to change your address on AliExpress. First of all, open AliExpress application on your device and then access your account at the bottom side of your screen. And in the top right corner you should see settings icon that looks like this. And now from this list of functions, you should see shipping address, and now you will see your current shipping address that you have added earlier. You can edit it, so tap edit button here, apply any changes, and do not forget to save it by using this red button at the bottom of this page. Also, you can delete this shipping address. You need to tap this edit button in the top right corner, then mark shipping address that you want to delete and press delete button at the bottom. And also you can add completely new shipping address to your AliExpress account if you want to. So that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.